Good morning, students. Grade 7, Subject Science, Chapter 10, Respiration in Organisms. Students, as you know in your earlier standard, that is previous knowledge we have discussed, that you must know the term food, right? Food is necessary for survival. We get nutrients from food. Here you see the chart of nutrients. Now, there are different type of nutrients that we have studied. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water and fiber. Student, you know, we get energy giving foods, that is from carbohydrates and fat. We get body building foods from proteins. We get protective foods from minerals and vitamins. Water, it is an important nutrients. Fibers, it is also important nutrients. Okay, fibers we get from leafy vegetables, which are very important for our digestion, for our intestine, for the growth. Fibers and proteins, they are chiefly major nutrients for our body. These all nutrients are complex food substances that cannot survive, that cannot be absorbed by our body. You see, now these complex food substance convert into, or you can say break down into smaller, simpler substance in our body. It is done by which process? It is done by digestion. So, we also studied that end product of our digestion, that is chiefly carbohydrates, proteins and fats. From carbohydrate in our body, it prepared simple sugars. From proteins, amino acids. From fats, fatty acid and glycerols. This you remember, students, very well. It is good for the objectives. Now, after getting this important simpler substance, that is simple sugar, amino acids, fatty acid and glycerol, digested food material is absorbed by the blood and transported to various organ of our body, right? So the food transfer from complex food into simpler food, and then ultimately we get energy, and that energy we use in our daily activities like walking, running, playing, studying, eating, sleeping, etc. So my dear students, our chart that we can draw by this way. Now food, right, that food contain different type of nutrients. Once nutrients, after that digestion is there. In digestion, breaking into simpler substance, and then this simpler substance absorbed by the blood and transported to various body parts, and then we get energy. But students, here how food gets energy, it is a question mark, right? How from food we get energy? So the transfer process from food to get energy, that is known as respiration. So that we are going to learn, that absorb food substance, right? And that absorb food, that is break down into release energy, and that known as respiration. So our definitions, it is like this, that the process of breakdown of food to release energy is called respiration. Again I repeat, the definition you see from your chart, right? The process of breakdown of food, the process of breakdown, this is breakdown of food to release energy is called respiration. And we are going to learn from this chapter respiration in organisms, right? So all organisms respire to get energy from food. So students, here you clear the difference between digestion and respiration. Student, in digestion process, it converts complex substance into simpler substance. While in the case of respiration, in respiration, simpler substance to get energy through respiration. So now we get the concept of respiration. Now next point, where does respiration occur? So respiration occurs in our body cell. Okay, this respiration occurs in our body shell, and you know that our body, it is a multicellular organisms, and you know the cell, you knew very well that the basic living structure unit of body is cell. These we have studied in our previous standard, that number of cells become tissue, number of tissue become organs, and number of organ become organisms, right? Students, our human body consists of trillions of cells, means 10 raised to the power of 12. Yani 1 trillion is equal to 10 raised to the power of 12, means 1 following by 12 zero. That much cells, right? Our body consists of trillions of cells. In animal cells, they are consist of different organelles. That also we have studied, like cell wall, different organelles, right? Like cell wall, nucleus, Golgi body, cytoplasm, ribosomes, mitochondria, vacuoles, etc. Now, these respiration occurs inside the body cell, right? Respiration occur inside the body cell, and in which body cell, in which body organelles, in cell organelles, it is in mitochondria. And mitochondria, these cell organelles, that is a power of, it is a powerhouse of cell. So that mitochondria, it is the site of cellular respiration, right? So now students, I think you can understand the respiration, where does it occurs, right? Okay, so till here our session, today's session. So have a nice day, and next time you will attain Google form, right? So please fill the Google form, and as per our schedule, you have to, today only you have to send me. Okay, till that, goodbye.